Did you ever want to make money or invest in something, but didn't know where to start? So you search online or ask a friend, and then you encounter terms like passive income or residual income and whatnot. You really have little to no idea what they are. So it only makes you more confused than ever. You feel like you hit a wall. Mirror, mirror on the wall, which is more profitable? Passive income or residual income? Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. And for this video, we are going to talk about passive versus residual income. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell. So I know we all want to make money, and there are a lot of options on how to earn them out there. So I want to talk about passive or residual income, so that you will have an idea on how these will help you secure that stash of cash. Well, before we get into it, I just have one caveat. Because the term residual income in an online business is not the same as it goes in the finance industry. You see, the residual income we are going to talk about here is the residual income in an online business, which refers to income that is produced after the labor has been completed. So don't get confused, okay? So now that we've established the kind of residual income that we are going to talk about, what is passive income? And is there any way that the two are related? Well, it just really depends on the industry in which these terms are being discussed. In our case, in an online environment, the two terms are being used interchangeably. You get what I mean? So passive income and residual income is the same in a way that your income stream is automated. The only difference is that in passive income, you apply the least amount of work to generate your income. Best example of passive income is the interest from the deposit that you put in a bank. Because your purpose for that deposit is mainly safekeeping, and you don't really put it there to generate income, but it does. So now, because of your deposit, you earn an unexpected income, and this becomes your passive income. But passive income is slow income because the money you put there is not moving. Therefore, it's not a great risk for loss. And you know what they say, lesser risk, lesser reward. And that's when residual income enters the conversation. So, residual income is the income that you continue to earn despite completing the work that you put in. Now, I'm going to tell you some of the residual income ideas that might interest you and which might help you earn lots of money. I'm going to share with you 7 ways or ideas to get you started. I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know, have you invested in residual or passive income streams and how did it go? Let me know in the comment section below so that everyone can learn, and who knows, it might work for them too. First one is rental income from properties. Rental income is probably one of the most common investments out there that help you build wealth. Now I bet we all know how this works, right? So you have to purchase a real estate property and then lease it to tenants. This way, the rent your tenant pays you is what you will use to pay for the monthly mortgage. The goal of rental properties is to collect more than the mortgage, plus insurance and property taxes, so that some money goes into your savings every month. The second is dividend income. Investing long-term in the stock market is one way to earn dividend income. So, this is how it basically works, okay? You invest your money in whatever publicly traded company you like, and the money put there will earn dividends, which is a portion of the company's earnings. The trick is that once you get your dividend income, you reinvest it to other publicly traded companies or even the same company that you chose, so that it will earn bigger and bigger income. The next is royalties. So if you're a musician and you recorded an original song and it gets played on the radio or gets used in movies, performed in restaurants, or viewed online, you can earn royalties. Basically, A royalty is a legally binding payment granted to an individual or business in exchange for continued use of their assets, such as copyrighted works, franchises, and natural resources. Royalty payments often represent a portion of the net or gross income generated by the use of the property. You get it? So, an inventor or the original owner of a product may decide to sell it to a third party in exchange for royalties from any potential future sales. The fourth is licensing or franchising. You can earn licensing income by allowing others to utilize your patented or copyrighted content or your established business. Some examples of items that can be licensed are songs, sports, team logos, and inventions. So if you've established a brand, you can earn from allowing others to utilize your brand, and that's when you earn residual income. Interesting, right? But before we move on to the next part of the video, I just want to ask you guys, which income stream you think is suitable for you so far? Let me know in the comment section down. Okay, so fifth is YouTube or vlogging. A YouTube channel takes time to create. Honestly, for the majority, the return on investment for starting a YouTube channel is probably low and is often not worth the work required to build. But once you get the hang of it and people regularly watch your videos, you can get income the more views you get after posting a video. And that's when you'll earn your residual income. So the sixth is online courses. Well, online courses have massively expanded over the past years, specifically during the pandemic. So, if you're an expert in a certain niche, there is a huge market waiting for you to build your own online course. So what happens is that after you've posted for a certain course, people who are interested will join your online course and sales can be completely automated to include advertisements, and so you can earn residual income from these advertisements. And then seventh and last, but obviously not least, is the membership or subscription sites. Membership sites are places where people may join to obtain whatever it is you provide for a monthly charge, much like gym subscriptions. Many membership websites provide articles or reports, webinars, webinar recordings, templates, applications, and software, among other resources. But how can you earn income from these? Well, you can start a consulting or coaching site and offer subscriptions. If you provide quality content, many of your loyal members might refer you to their friends who are potential clients for the services you offer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos like this, head on over to our channel to see more. See you!